Hi guys, this is me Raj from the Hackers Institute, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain you about the installation of Kali Linux in VirtualBox. So before going into installations, I just tell you what is Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is a Linux based operating system and it is used by IT professionals for penetration testing. So now we'll go ahead for the installations. Just open your browser, so whether it's a Chrome or a Firefox, whatever it may be. So just go to the browser and give the search kali.org, kali.organization. It will direct you to this Kali organization website. So here you can find this option called downloads. So click on this option, download Kali Linux. It will direct you to this page, and here you can find the option called Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. My system is 64-bit, so if you are using 32 you can use this one. So the same process is for the VMware also. Now in this video I just explain you only the VirtualBox. So just click on this offensive security VM download page and it will direct you to the and it will direct you to this website offensive security. It was owned by the Kali Linux only, so don't worry about that. So here you can find this option called Kali Linux VirtualBox images. Yes, just click on that. Just give the option Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit. It will be downloaded. So already I have downloaded, so we'll go for the installation now. So just go to this file, just click on that. Before click on this file, make sure that you have installed the VirtualBox or not. Once installed, just click on this. Sorry, my system is a little bit slow, so it will take you to this one. Just give only the option import. So click this agree, software license agreement, you are giving this agree. So it's importing virtual disk image Kali Linux 2020. Even I'm too excited to use this one because around 2 days ago only the people launched this one 2020 version, but I'm very excited to play in this. So it takes some time. So for video purposes I just pause and resume this video. Yes guys, so take some time, 54 seconds remaining. So I'm just waiting for that. Yes, nowadays yes, it is done. So just go ahead and click on that. This is the new one which I have installed now. So here you can find the option called start. Just start it. We are going to start the system in VirtualBox. Yes. And here you can see the option called Kali GNU Linux. Just click on that, so it will take automatically, and now the Kali Linux is running, and it's with good logo. I love this logo a lot. Yes. Now game, just give this username as KALI and password as KALI. So just click on login. Yes, we successfully installed this 2020 Kali Linux, and it's very looking very good logo and everything. It was very good. I hope this video is very helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching this video.